Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Steam account without your email. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Steam account without your email, you'll be required to enter your username of your Steam account. For me, it's this one, and you had assigned it while registering your account on Steam. And enter your password, the normal password like this, and click on login. And there guys, we have been successfully logged into our Steam account without our email. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more video. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.